The Garifuna people arrived on April 12, 1797 to Port Royal, Roatan. Then it was an English colony. So this was the land that the British promised the Garifuna. You leave this land, St. Vincent, to us, and we're gonna put you on another land. So they put us on Roatan with basically no supplies. We basically had to fend for ourselves, okay? Mind you, we left in February, and we arrived like a month later. You know, according to oral history, a lot of people decided not to eat because they noticed from the food that we were given, the little food that they were given, that people started to get sick. You know, so many people starved during that route. They got sick. They just didn't trust what the Europeans were doing again. You know, they were literally trying to kill us. You know, they didn't expect us to survive when we got to Roatan. So anyway, we landed in Roatan. Again, April 12, 1797.